This is a 2025 Ford Ranger protected with Ghost 2. If a thief got the key, went to steal this vehicle, they're going to be unable to drive it away because it just locks the vehicle in park. It's not going anywhere. So we'll try reverse this time on neutral. The vehicle's going nowhere, they're unable to drive it away. So what the customer has to do is start the vehicle, they'll go through a code. You have to be nice and slow with these buttons, so 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll wait for a double flash from the hazards, and then we can drive away. When you turn the vehicle off, the system takes 10 seconds to activate. After 10 seconds, if a thief tried to steal this vehicle with the key in their pocket or they've done a relay attack, it's just not going to go into gear. If you're taking this for a service, you want to switch the system off, don't want to hand your code over to Ford, what you'll do, keep your foot off the brake, tap the start button to get the ignition on, prove it's you with your code, wait for your double flash. Now you press the cruise control cancel button 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We'll wait for 5 flashes. We'll turn the vehicle off. And now it's just going to be a normal vehicle as long as it doesn't exceed 30 miles an hour for more than 15 minutes. Ford are going to be able to move it around their workshop and do what they need to do. When you get the vehicle back, you want to turn the system back on. You'll keep your foot off the brake, tap the start button, and just pop your code in. So 1, 2, 3, 4 is our code. Wait for a double flash, and now our system's active again. So when you turn the vehicle off, everything's back to normal, and after 10 seconds you're going to need that code to drive away, even if you've got the key. To get one of these fitted, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit, and this is a 2025 plate Ford Ranger WILDTRAK.